Good morning.
Morning. I thought I would be sleeping in today, but no.
You thought you were... Why aren't you sleeping in today?
Because you woke me up.
Why?
Because I go over to kill you.
Because what?
I could go over to kill you.
Why are you talking like a baby? Stop it.
He could kill you.
Stop right there. Stop playing.
No, because when you got it, you were all the way over there. Because and then my Ellie hit this thing here, and maybe she just hit that one thing.
On accident?
Yeah.
Or on purpose?
Accident, of course. Because why would she do it on purpose?
Where?
Hello.
Good morning. Oh, we forgot the bag. Hey y'all. So, I'm driving and I'm on my way. I'm going to get this hoodie together. Look at that. Okay, so as y'all know, I dropped Sydney off over my aunt's this morning and I had to run some errands, and she thinks she's going to just stay the night over there by herself with my aunt, but I'm on my way back and I'm going to surprise her. We're going to it's just like a little small surprise. I'm going to go buy some assortment of cookies, like cookies to bake, and we're going to bake different cookies and we're going to hand them out to my aunt and my cousins today. And I think I'm gonna get by my aunt Carrie, the one with the eye surgery, the one that gave me the middle finger in the mall. I'm going to buy her a Christmas tree because she has like a little pink Christmas tree, and she doesn't really like, she wants a Christmas tree but she doesn't want a Christmas tree, so I'm going to just get a Christmas tree for her so she could just stop thinking about it. And we're going to decorate that because I said, Sydney, what are you doing? She said, I'm bored. Nothing, I'm bored. So I was like, let me go to my baby. So we're going to make an assortment of Christmas cookies, and I got to find those little tins that they come in, or like cute little boxes, gift boxes you can put things in, and we're going to put it in there. And I'm really excited about those chocolate chip cookies with the Hershey's Kiss on top. I'm going to make some of those because I love those. When people give them to me, I'm like, yeah! So I want to make those for people. They make me happy, so I want to make somebody else happy. So I'm on my way to do that, but it's a lot of traffic going on right now. But I'll get back to y'all when I get to Walmart or the house. It depends, because if it's a lot of people at Walmart, sometimes I don't even like pulling out my phone. But we'll see. Peace. So just got out of Walmart. Got everything I needed for the cookies that we're going to make tonight. Oh, and I got some toothpaste and some hand sanitizer. And for some reason, I only trust Equate right now. Equate hand sanitizer. I don't know, because I can't find the other brands of hand sanitizer, so. And then I just got her like a little tree because I know she ain't gonna want a big old tree. So I hope she likes it. If she don't, I can take it back. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Yeah, okay, so I'm done with that. I saw this family. They got the same car as me, and they trying to buy Let me get this hand sanitizer. It fell on the floor. They have the same car. They have a Challenger, and they just bought this big old TV. And I just had the same problem. My TV wasn't even as big as theirs. Theirs was huge. And it wouldn't fit in my car. Look, that's them. Let me get... Ah! He riding on it. They put the TV on top of the car. Let me try to find them so y'all can see what's going on without me getting hit in this craziness. Okay, that's them. Let me see. Try to hurry up. Okay. If you can see them over there riding on top of that car. Ooh, I'm gonna try to hurry up. Dang, I should have. Okay, the sun is in the way, but they riding on top of the car. Well, the TV is on top of the car. Look at it. Gotta do what you gotta do. Did y'all see him? I said gotta. He was filming the whole time. Gotta do what you gotta do. For real. Okay, so the surprise is kind of ruined because you gotta open the gate to get into her complex. So, but they don't know what I'm coming with. They know I'm here, which I didn't want that, but I was hoping the gate would be open because it's open sometimes, but I had to press in her code. Nah. But yeah, but they don't know that I have a Christmas tree and cookies to bake. So I'm here though. Now they're gonna be looking out the door, the window. Yep. Who's on there? Sydney. Hi. See, Sydney don't miss a beat.
Pond5.com. Pond5.com. Pond5.com.
Trying to make it past the window without them seeing me. But Sydney is like, I gotta hurry up. Okay, I made it past the window. We're gonna bake cookies and put the Christmas tree together.
Bye-bye.
I'm not in it. I still got my pajamas on.
I bought all that.
Thought you would be dressed by now.
Why, Mommy, why would you think that?
Exactly.
Mommy, cousin.
Here's Sydney. Say hi, Sydney.
Hi, guys. Mommy, cousin.
She has on Halloween pants.
Cause and Carrie and me wasn't watching Selena.
You wasn't watching
series.
anything. My heat don't come out the oven.
So you got her.
I mean, Carrie. Cause what name are you gonna call me today?
Okay, she cooked and I'm about to eat.
Because she's gonna call me because today.
Agatha.
What?
I took it out of her.
So excited! You in the video.
Oh.
You are already. She already recorded you, so you're in the video.
Okay, first batch in. They look like biscuits, but
Oh my goodness! Oh, that's because like she put huge chunks. like about like that big.
It's okay, cause we should have started this earlier.
Yeah, that's why. Cause we should use these because these are actually in squares. Mommy, cause
First batch of sugar cookies. Sydney, she washed her hands. Now you gotta form it together in a cookie like a ball. Is it working? I might have put too much butter in there.
Mom.
Yes.
It's turned in well.
Yeah, that's good. That's how it's supposed to be, but don't make them so big like that.
Okay, I'm gonna let y'all finish making y'all cookies. I'm gonna call back maybe tomorrow or something.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh,
This is what I need after your conversation.
Yeah, she actually, I can't wait to you can
All right, bye.
you against the world.
Girl, bye. Oh, they found out everything. Merry Christmas, Sydney. Sydney, Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Say it again.
Merry Christmas.
Making a mess.
Excuse me. So like, if you're baking, because like, if you make a mess, that means we actually tried.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect ball.
Okay, so this is the progress so far. So, Sydney, you see how I did those?
Oh, okay. So you want me to do that? Okay.
Put them
Wait,
in the
are these
middle.
cool? Yeah. These are hard.
Yeah, they're cool. Just put them in the middle like this. Oh, wait, let's wait till these. Don't press down on them like that.
I told you.
You got to press down a little bit. And then this is our other batch. But we're doing a good job. Now we're going to put the...
Look at all these cookies we made.
There's a tree and Carrie's going to finish putting together. And we just got off live.
Chocolate chip.
Girl. Oh, level up. Is that level up? Level up.
That's not.
Level up. Okay, come on. Get digging deep. Dig deeper. Dig deeper. Dig deep. Mix it real well like you did the first one. So I'm gonna put them in these like this. We want them to make homemade.
That doesn't look bad.
It looks better in person. It don't look great on camera, but it look better in person.
It does. Mine
It looks bad.
Let me see yours.
looks like
Oh, this is my angle of